And we had a night of snow and rain. This morning, some Metro drivers faced slippery road conditions during the morning commute. Emergency crews worked several crashes along our interstates. Multiple vehicles, including a school bus, slid off the roadway. This one happened near I-40 and Garth Brooks Boulevard in Yukon. Crews say a majority of the wrecks across the metro happened on icy bridges and overpasses. Busy for the forewarned storm team. Emily, that was on the west side of town. Yes. I know you saw the highest amounts of snow totals on the south and southwest sides.
That's right. And what happened is we had the cloud cover, and as soon as the clouds moved out and we cleared out, we bottomed out just below freezing. So that's why the overpasses and bridges became icy around the 7 to 8 a.m. time frame, resulting in those accidents. We were covering that live on Rise and Shine.